Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up and get started with OfferUp. Creating an OfferUp account is a quick and a simple process, so here's how you can get started. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in offerup.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for OfferUp. OfferUp is a platform that connects local buyers and sellers, allowing them to trade various items within their community. Whether you are looking for an electronic item, furniture, cars, or other goods, OfferUp provides a simple and trusted way to buy and sell locally. Once you get to this official web page, go to the upper right corner and click the login button. In the sign up or login page, you can go ahead and choose one of the sign up methods. You can continue signing up with Facebook, Google account, Apple, or with email. Here I'm going to choose continue with email. Now click on the sign up button to create a new account and enter your name in the first text box. On the next field, enter your email address you have an access to. Right where it says password, create a password for your account. Finally, click on agree and sign up and enter a mobile phone number on the next page. If you don't want to do that, you can also skip this by clicking skip. And right after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for OfferUp and you will end up in the main homepage after logging in. So that is how it's easily done. You can easily create an OfferUp account in just a couple of steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.